Now we're going to do another activity with our alphabet arc. Some of our letters are missing, okay? So we're going to place these where they go. Okay, Aurelius. What's your first letter?
I.
What sound?
I.
Okay, let's see where does that I go?
An alphabet arc is an engaging way to offer guided practice in sound letter correspondence and ABC order. Kindergarten teacher Monica Peevyhouse asks each student to name their letter, give the letter sound, and place the letter on the arc.
Okay, where does it go on her? Do you want to do this real quick? Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E.
Singing the alphabet song while Miss Peevyhouse points to each letter helps Tenny know where to place her letter.
Okay, what letter is that?
P.
What sound is P? Okay, very good. What letter comes after P?
Q.
Q. What's that sound?
Q.
Very good.
Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Are You Teaching? For more information, please visit readinguniverse.org. Special thanks to Prather-Brown Center, Frederick Public Schools, and the Oklahoma State Department of Education. Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the American Federation of Teachers, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and 3 anonymous donors. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
I'm Monica Peevyhouse, and this is Reading Universe.